So quick in and out against Visaya. Reaching in is number 0. Nakadila pa. Visaya. Moral. Visaya. Balibag kay Visaya. Guevara. Reaching is Visaya. Number 0-0 against Jackson. Too smooth. Let him cook. Grabe ka, Mr. Visaya. Moral. Answering back. Region 3 sa kabila. Fighting over the screen is number 19 Pavico, creating some space. Step back para kay Shog. Shog number 10 zigzag. Sheesh, grabe. Rebound 14 Puda. Isa na lang. Shog Moral looking the ball out of bounds. Bola lang tama. Great pass to number 14. The fake dribble handoff from Puda. Firing is number 9. Bang! From Retes, number 9. Nakaka-play from Visaya. 0-0 to number 14. Mr. Puda. 5 quick points for Davao. Dito sa ating first quarter. Feed to Mr. Vergara. Tinutok, tumira, pamasok para kay number 33. Region 3, number 10, locating Jackson on top. Corner play execution. Mercado from deep. Wala. Vergara. Inaabot. Parang puno ng mangga. Kumukulit against Davao Region. Number 8, Mercado to Chog. Serving the floor to a rolling Mercado. Napasamay ni Jackson. Basket count and 1. Wala ang ikalawa. Jackson, tunayon na ng kalaban. Number 18, naagawan pa ni Abenohar. Hang time for number 16. Moral of Region 3. Lopez to Abenohar in the paint. Reverse from number 16. Great work. In quarter, number 14 Puda. High screen of Retes. Huli ni Vergara. Dapas lang pala yun. Inabutan pa yata. Still making it is number 18. Nayona. So quick in and out against Visaya. Reaching in is number 0. Nakadila pa. Visaya against Moral. Hang time. Number 6. Jackson driving the baseline. Drop pass to Vergara na bigla. Mercado taking a long one. Bang! Visaya. Abenohar picked up by number 0-0. Nagmamadali si Abenohar. Basket para kay number 16. Pinalibag na lang. Nalaglag pa rin pa. What is out of Region 3 dito sa ating first quarter. Quick dish to a running Retes. Diretso, no look shot against Vergara and Abenohar. 14 Puda to Retes. Jab from Visaya. Kick out to Retes from the pool. A 3 from number 9. Number 10. Between the legs, head and shoulder crossover. Strip, number 14, Apple Chog. Play of a score from number 14 of Davao. Being challenged is Retes. Pick and roll. Great defense for Davao. Puda for the back-to-back. Timeout. Kontra Batang Cherry Pear sa pintura. Number 13, easy basket. Mr. Gaviola na naka-play para sa Region 3. Down by 2 na lang ang Clara off the screen. Puda, Visaya, quick the pull. Wala. 24. There's a foul. That pass was too strong. Saving that ball is Puda. A 4-on-2 5-on-2 situation. Pataklo si ball for 2. Number 10, Moral. Lead to number 30. That fake from Guevara and that penetration of Region 3. The point guard mula sa Region 3 finding Guevara in the corner. That to number 30. Chog Moral on the attack against number 19. Quick penetration and that lob to number 8 Mercado. Number 0-0. Lusot kay Ubao. Over the advance to number 13. Wala ang putback. 5 seconds remaining. Number 19, palibag kay Visaya. Looking to beat the buzzer. And of the first quarter. A long bomb. Wala, danan para kay Chog. Covering number 30 is Omar. Great fake from number 30. Basket count and one. To Jackson. Sa gilid kay Abenuhar. 16. Great cut from Guevara with that finger roll. Number 30 for 2. 19 Pavico against Mercado. Another steal for number 30. Huli ka ni Omar. Andun pa rin si Mercado. In favor of Region 3. 14 Puda. Quick catch and shoot from Yap. Grabe naman yun. Parang nabigla lang si number 8. Mercado. That pass was too tight. Omar number 2. Huli ka ni Abenuhar. Number 14 Puda against the defense of Danan. Puda footing Chog together with Danan, stepping on the brakes, rolling Guevara, piit ang bagya, spin cycle move or number 30 Guevara for 2. Pesa number 6 Visaya nakikipagmatika sa akin number 6, inagawa ng tuluyan. Abenuhar na naman. Penetrating in the paint. Uli ka ni Abenuhar. Number 10, Moral together with Guevara. Head of the pack. Easy basket for number 30, Guevara of Region 3. For Maya. To number 18, Nayona. Straight away 3. Bang! 3 from number 18. Nice is no good. Number 1, palibag kay Visaya. Another half time para sa Agilos ng Davao. Up by 5 of Region 3. Frustration from the crowd. Moral. Paso. Rolling Mercado. Basket count and one. No good. Great pass out from Yap. Pushing the ball is Puda. Wow. Great body adjustment. Chog Moral on the offensive rebound for Region 3. Feed again to number 13, Gaviola. Great fake from number 13. Anticipating that defense from Davao. Puda kontra Mercado. Wing side. Visaya. Bang! Ilet kay Chog. Great defense for Davao. Another reverse para kay number 14 Puda. Guevara to Gaviola. Answering back for Region 3, Mr. Beyond the arc. That's a miss from number 9, Retes. Slamming in the gas to number 8, Mercado for the assist of Chog Moral. Mercado. Wow! Ano yun? Mr. Mercado. Chog Moral. Number 10, quick in and out. Pulls up from deep. Ooh! End of the first half. Number 14, pass to number 12, Hubahib. Corner, test from deep. 10 behind the back, not giving up on that play. Spoda, lead pass to Hubahib. Number 12, Pumiyet, footwork. Huli ka na Guevara. Too much sauce from number 12, Hubahib. Number 8, ooh, that's a foul. On jersey number 24, a hard foul. On number 30, to Mercado. Number 10, back to a running Mercado, but that's a miss. Chog, number 10, zigzag. Sheesh, grabe. Good. Visaya on the rebound. 0-0, what a pass to Retes. Pace para sa opener ng Region 3. Push off from number 16. Great play, basket count and one. On their shot clock, great roll from number 8, but that's a miss for Region 3, number 24. The number 14 in the brain is Retes. An easy deuce. Ado inbounding. Dana nakawala. Easy basket for number 29. Up number 29, Mr. Fuda. Number 14, corner to number 9, Retes. Visaya, quick release. Bang! Ball for Davao Region. Check na Guevara. Pass to number 16. Abenuhar na naman sa ilalim. Jackson, 10 on their shot clock. Stepping back to number 19. Back again to Visaya. 0-0. Bang! Back-to-back threes. Great screen from Benoit. Rolling is Benoit. Guevara taking a long bomb. Money para kay number 3. Moral being chased down by number 14. Help defense. Jackson on the attack. Easy basket. Clock. Chog. Anong gagawin ni number 10? That's a screen. Uy, another attack. In the paint. Mula kay number 6, Jackson. Number 10, Moral. Quick cross. Visaya on the run. Ang Agilos ng Davao. Mr. Visaya. Chog naman ngayon sa kabila. Fighting over that screen is number 19, Pavico. Creating some space. Step back para kay Chog. Dito sa ating third quarter ratas. Quick dish, 0-0 Visaya, diretso! Lag-lag na naman yan para kay Double O. 8 seconds remaining. Visaya, number 0-0, choosing a step back. Wala! Saving that ball, Pagdanan, and that's the end of our third quarter. Ang mananalo papasok sa finals ng Palarong Pambansa 2024. Chog! With that assist! That's a miss pero napasa kamay ni Mr. Abenojar. Puda dire-diretso, end-to-end drive from number 14, Puda answering back for Davao Region, 73-64. Chog being defended by number 14. Pasa sa gitna, in-adjust ni Danan against the defense of number 10. Visaya kontra Abenojar, 0-0. Balik kay Puda. Pass to Omar, 29. Penetration, and that layup is good. Jackson to a cutting Moral, stopping, dishing again to number 29. Wala. On that putback, still no good. A third try is a charm for number 29. 14 Puda to Omar, 29. Visaya in the corner, drive against Danan. What a lefty finish from the Agilos of Davao. Effective on his drives. Reaching is Visaya, number 0-0 against Jackson. Wow! Too smooth, let him cook. Visaya for 2. Sheesh! Grabe ka, Mr. Visaya. Moral answering back. Or Region 3. For Region 3, 80-70 Jackson. 9 on their shot clock. Vergara, libre. Number 30, dozen point advantage. 49 Danan. Pass to Jackson, number 6. Sa ilalim, Abenojar na naman. Working in sa Davao. Block by number 6. Visaya, ready on the attack. Finger, basket count and 1. Securing that free throw. Ayan na si Visaya. Double O. Backing it home. Welcome to Mr. Visaya's domain. Chog. Okay now, Moral. Quick in and out. Reverse. Drop pass. Daviola. Basket for number 13. Against the defense of Jackson. Retes nag-aabang ng pasa from Visaya. Making the 3 is number 9. Quick pass to number 10, Chog. Aggressive defense from Omar. Blowing by the D is Chog. Moral. Wala. Rebounded by Nayona. Pasa kay Iya. Balibag kay Visaya. Sa lubong ni Guevara. Ice in his veins. Number 0. Nakawala sa depensa ng Davao. Losing the ball. Diving for that ball. Chog Moral pa rin. Number 10 in the paint. Uy! There is a foul called by our referee. Before that, pasok ang unang tira ni Chog. 2 out of 2 for Chog Moral. Walang kakaba-kaba. 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining on the game clock. Puda running point. Screen of Omar. 14 penetration 1. Faking his Retes. Pass to number 1. Spreading the floor. Is Davao Region. Walang tira ni Yap. Number 10. Chog Moral. Hesi. Blow by. Running 29. That's another miss. Out of bounds. Boy left to play. Fourth and final quarter of our semifinals. Mercado number 8. On top is Guevara. 7 on their shot clock. Bagsak si Visaya. Diretso ang tira ni number 16. Abenohar for 2. Last 2 minute. Mr. Visaya. 0-0. Great screen. Visaya. Not this time. Rebounded by Mercado. Number 8. Pass to number 10. Chog. Asking for help. Nakita si Abenohar. 30 Guevara. Anong nangyayari sa depensa ng Davao? Number 16, Abenohar, to a cutting Moral! Wala! Number 12 on that rebound, Visaya para sa Davao, number 0-0! Wow! Grabe! Woo! 30, that pass was too low! Hell ball! Possession of Davao Region. 1 minute and 17. Visaya taunting the defense of number 8 Mercado. Visaya from the parking lot. Wala! 10 on the offensive board. But there's a whistle. Ball na mapupunta para sa Region 3. Number 10, Chog Moral. Hanap, bitawan ni Danan. A 1 minute and 2. Naitawid ni Yap. Number 12. In the middle is number 9. Hubahog. Retes naman ngayon. Backing it home. Davao. Retes from deep. Chog Moral. Number 10. Cross. Chog. Huli ka ni Visaya. But there is a foul. Foul on jersey number 00. Mr. Visayal. Shooting free throws. Pasok ang unang tira. For Chog Moral of Region 3. 2-possession ball game. 37 seconds remaining. Screen of Retes. Penetration from Puda. That dish to number 10. Basket count and 1. This game keeps on giving. 30 seconds exactly. Wala. Rebound. 14 Puda. Isa na lang. Chog Moral. Losing the ball. Out of bounds. Bola lang Davao. Nagwawala. Dito sa USC. Palarong pambansa 2024. Ball overturned. That's the head coach of Davao appealing to our table officials after that huge call. Penalty on both teams. Abenohar, jersey number 16. Pass to Chog Moral. 12 on their shot clock. Number 10 Moral. On top. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Abenohar. Banking it home. 8.6. Mukhang 3-point play ang gagawin ng Davao. Corner to Yap. That's a miss. Tinapit pa. That's the end of the ball game. Advancing sa finals ng Palarong Pambansa 2024 is the team of Region 3.